All right, hi everyone. I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to get started with social studies side quests. So first of all, the most important thing is we are going to be using Google Classroom to moderate this for a very good reason. When it's usually just me running an asynchronous PD, I can make it as inconvenient on myself as I need to in the attempt to make it as convenient for you as possible. But this time around, because I'm going to be out for part of this, we are utilizing Google Classroom via the Michigan Council for the Social Studies, and there are a couple of hoops that have to be jumped through to get there. So you will either need to contact your school's tech department and ask them to whitelist our Google Classroom and give them our URL, which is mcssmi.org, or you can choose to join with a personal email address, which is what I'm going to do right now. So I am, to demonstrate for you, you can do one of two things. You can either copy this invite code and go to classroom.google.com, or you should be able to click on this secondary link, which will take you out to it. Now, for me, it's going to ask me to log in with my MCSS account because that's what I've set up. But in this particular case, I just switched it to me, and I'm going to click on Join Class, and I am now a student in Social Studies Side Quests. And Google Classroom likes to give you that little overview if you haven't gotten it already. Now, you're going to see a stream of things here. And that is wonderful and awesome. However, the easiest way to navigate is to actually click on the Classwork tab. And when you click on the Classwork tab, you can see, again, Google Classroom's giving me a little mini tutorial because I am using my personal account. But you can see we've got a Welcome Start Here piece. We've got all these different missions. And if you click on Welcome and Start Here, you're going to see we've got a Meet the Facilitator slide. As of the time of this recording, one of our facilitators hasn't gotten me their intro video yet, so you can at least meet myself and Kimberly, and you can meet Adam at a later date. And then there's also the slide deck, which you should already have access to. So at this point, if I go back to classwork, all you have to do to complete a mission is click on the mission to get the overview of what you're supposed to do. And as soon as you're ready to turn it in, you have the opportunity to write your reflections in anything you want and upload it. But a Google Doc is probably the best. You just add it up here. And when you're done, you mark it as done. And we will get notifications, and we will go in and take a look at your work, and we will give you 3 sketches for every mission you successfully complete. So that is a quick down and dirty overview of how to both access the course. Again, my example was through my personal email address, and it's also a quick tutorial on how to actually complete a mission. Remember that there are a grand total of 30 sketches available, and each mission is worth 3 points. But you'll notice that there are 12 missions available to you. And actually, by the time we hit May, there might be 15 missions because some of these will not apply to you. If you're a 6th grade world geography teacher, you are probably not going to be able to complete the personal finance challenge. As one example of many. So right now we have 2 additional civics-based missions that you can choose to undertake. And I know that my friends at the Michigan Council for History Ed had pitched a couple of additional ideas as well. So as we see you go through this, if we need to add a couple of additional missions, because some of you really want to go for those 30 points, we will do so. But just know if you do all 12 of them, you will only get up to 30 sketches. Have fun, adventurers, and enjoy.